go, Otter Falls Trails. Right on the way back down. Short little parking lot here. Just gonna park straight ahead. Let's go look at the map and all that kind of good stuff. All right, here we go. Otter Falls Trails, open dusk to dawn, you see. It says strenuous, but I heard online it's not strenuous. It looks decently sized big, but so we're here. What I'm gonna do, come up, stay right. I think if I stay right the whole time, I'll be able to do it all. And all these are super short, what I read online like this. The whole thing's on like a mile or something. I don't see it. That's a dope hiking stick somebody left. But it doesn't tell you how long anything is on here, which would be good to know, like how many miles. But if I'm looking, if I stay right, I should be able to do it. I want to just do everything. Trash free park. It's basically like $4.50. Some more hiking sticks with those. That one's really long. Some Gandalf action there. Once you read that. All right, here we go. Oh, that's beautiful. Desktop background, beautiful. It's only been 11 minutes, 10 minutes. I'm already at the fall waterfall. Oh wow, that is very beautiful. That is very beautiful. Just goes on down. Super dope. I may actually go down in there. Like you can actually step down more through it down here. I think I'm gonna go down in there, go get a picture. Sounds absolutely beautiful down here, man. I love all the roaring water. good pictures and scenes from the falls. Bottom of the stairs. I'm just gonna follow along this one here. See where this takes me. Alright, it's time to go back up. You can kind of go that way and explore, obviously, if you want to, but time to go back up. Looks like it's time to get gnarly, my people. I think this is why it's rated strenuous, because it's not long at all, but I think it's just super steep going back up. So here we go. Again, gonna keep keeping right, but I only have 2 minutes left, so I'm gonna save the battery for other little points during the hike or later. All right, just came up back down from the trails. That's where I came down earlier. Going back up this side now again, staying to the right. Looking nice and steep here, nice and steep. Get the heart rate up. All right, staying right, here we go. I think this might be one that's a dead end. You just shoot off and come back. I'm not 100% sure though. There's a little shoot off trail right there. Staying to the right. Still going steady downhill. Steady downhill. Alright, so the yellow one basically brings me all the way back down to wherever these lodges are or whatever. So the yellow one was the one, I mean it keeps going a little bit, I think this is the end of it though. So the yellow one is the one that's, I just went back and looked at the map I recorded. That's the only one that is the one that's a dead end. So I'm gonna go back up, catch the blue loop, finish that around, connect back on the other side of the red loop, and I'll be getting back to the truck. But we got a ton of uphill. Just nothing but steep gnarliness until we get back to the blue. And the blue, everything from here is straight up essentially. I mean, everything from here is gonna be up. All right, so looking at these yellow tabs now, they're both pointing to the right. This is the yellow tab trail. What I just did is straight and all the way down to like those hotels or lodges, whatever. That's not part of the trail now, I'm thinking, because the way those arrows are pointing. So, I mean, you can go that way, but there's no really extra good. Alright, so it's a few days later, but you can see my beard's short. I went in and trimmed my beard, but my camera died, so I was trying to tell y'all where I went down. I kept telling y'all I was going down to those hotels. That was actually off of the trail. Once I went back and looked at the map, I really wasn't paying attention to the signs. They were pointing to the right. You can see it when I walked by them. They're both pointing to the right. It was like a little stream on the bottom there going. That's where the trail kind of cut back real quick and it ended down there. What I did, I kept going straight over. I guess that just connected down there to those lodges or whatever, those hotels or whatever those were. So that was off the trail, and it was nothing but just a gnarly steep down and a gnarly steep up. So I got a hell of a workout coming back up. But basically ended up going back up doing the blue route, like I said, going all the way back around the red or orange, whatever color it was, and finishing off like that. It just took me a little bit longer because I went off trail, but I didn't know it at the time.